Negotiation is a part of life. Every day we talk and try to reach agreements with others. This could be at home, with friends, or at work. Good negotiation skills are valuable. They help us get what we want and build strong relationships. In business, negotiation is essential. Companies negotiate deals, contracts, and partnerships. Successful negotiation can lead to better prices, stronger contracts, and long-term relationships. Mastering this skill can significantly impact a business's success. Negotiation is not about arguing or winning at all costs. It's about understanding the other person's needs and finding common ground. By learning effective negotiation techniques, we can achieve our goals while maintaining positive relationships. Whether it's a simple conversation or a complex business deal, negotiation skills are crucial for success in all aspects of life. Before entering any negotiation, preparation is key. This involves understanding your own goals and the goals of the other party. What are your non-negotiables? What are you willing to concede? Researching the other party's background and past negotiations can provide valuable insights. Planning is equally important. Develop a clear strategy for the negotiation. Anticipate potential challenges and prepare responses. Having a plan helps you stay focused and in control during the negotiation. Effective preparation also involves setting the stage for a successful negotiation. Choose a neutral location where both parties feel comfortable. Set a clear agenda and time frame for the discussion. By taking the time to prepare thoroughly, you set yourself up for a more successful and productive negotiation. Active listening is a crucial skill in negotiation. It involves truly hearing and understanding the other person's perspective. Pay attention not just to their words but also to their tone of voice and body language. Ask clarifying questions to ensure you understand their point of view. Empathy is a powerful tool in negotiation. Try to see the situation from the other person's perspective. Acknowledge their feelings and concerns. Showing empathy helps build rapport and trust, which can lead to a more collaborative negotiation. Effective communication is essential throughout the negotiation. Avoid interrupting or dominating the conversation. Use clear and concise language. Summarize key points to ensure mutual understanding. By actively listening and communicating effectively, you create a more positive and productive negotiation experience. Assertiveness is key to getting your needs met in a negotiation. Clearly articulate your interests and goals. Don't be afraid to say no when necessary. However, assertiveness should be balanced with respect for the other party's needs. Finding win-win solutions is the goal of effective negotiation. Look for creative solutions that benefit both parties. Be willing to compromise and find common ground. Remember, a successful negotiation is not about one party winning and the other losing. Once an agreement is reached, it's important to document the terms clearly. This could be a formal contract or a simple written agreement. Make sure both parties understand and agree to the terms. This helps avoid misunderstandings and ensures a smooth implementation of the agreement. By following these strategies, you can negotiate effectively and achieve mutually beneficial outcomes.